from Bugeye Guys. We're working on a fantastic Survivor Bugeye, but there's maintenance to be done. And I wanted to show everybody this because this is something good to look out for. These are the inner control arm bushings. There's 4 of them. They help locate this A-arm. And look how much this one's worn. If you look at the 2 halves moving in and out, there's a solid 1/8 of an inch of play as the entire control arm is moving in and out. And that's partly because, I don't know if you can see it, but the bushing that lives in here has either decayed and fallen out. You can see a silver portion inside there where it's meant to be rubber. And that's just a consequence of age and use. So we will take off this control arm and replace these bushings to repair that. That's what we're working on this week here at Bugeye Guys.